Seeing thick black smoke pouring out of your exhaust, or noticing that your diesel exhaust fluid efficiency has tanked, is a sure sign something is wrong. And if you scan the car and find code P0429, you are dealing with a catalyst heater control circuit malfunction on bank 1. This is crucial for modern vehicles, especially diesels, because the catalytic converter needs to be incredibly hot, somewhere between 800 and 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, to effectively turn harmful smog into harmless water and nitrogen. To help it get that hot, especially during cold starts or low-load driving, the computer uses a heater circuit or injects a fluid to generate that chemical heat. When this code sets, the computer is basically saying, I am trying to heat up the cat converter, but the circuit is not working. The severity here is high because a cold converter eventually clogs up, and that creates back pressure that can choke your engine. Start your diagnosis with the simple stuff. If your car uses diesel exhaust fluid, or DEAF, make sure the tank is not empty and that the fluid is not old or crystallized. I've seen plenty of these codes caused simply by a bad batch of fluid or a clogged injector nozzle. If the fluid system is fine, you need to get under the car. Look at the wiring harnesses going to the catalytic converter. Because they are near extreme heat and sharp heat shields, it is very common for wires to melt or rub through, breaking the circuit. If the wires look intact, grab an infrared thermometer. With the engine running and the system active, measure the temperature of the exhaust entering the converter versus the exhaust exiting it. The outlet should be significantly hotter. If it is not, and your electrical tests show the heater is getting power, but not heating, the element inside the converter might be dead, or the temperature sensor itself is lying to the computer. It is a system that demands precision, so take your time tracing those wires.